Did you know you can make someone trust you without saying a word? There's a hidden signal in human interaction, the subtle cracking of your finger knuckles. In the depths of dark psychology, this micro-behavior isn't just a nervous habit, it's a calculated move. When you crack your knuckles slowly, with intention, it draws attention to your hands. Hands are powerful communicators. Exposing them signals openness, a primal cue that you have nothing to hide. The sound itself, a crisp, micro crack, breaks silence, creating a momentary pause. This pause triggers the brain's curiosity, making others unconsciously focus on you. In high-stakes negotiations or tense conversations, this act can subtly disrupt your opponent's rhythm, shifting the psychological balance. Extreme close-ups reveal the slight tension in the skin, the veins beneath, and the light reflecting in your pupils. Rain slides down the window as shadows dance across the walls, amplifying the suspense. Master the micro crack, and you master silent influence. The shift has begun. Stop being the pattern. Become the observer. Subscribe to CogniShift and check out our guide, Secrets of the Subconscious. Link in bio.